In this quick tutorial, we are going to create a transparent pretzel bag. I already created the bag in Studio Toolkit. I placed it. The first thing we're going to do is double click on the substrate and change the substrate to plastic film. Let's leave the opacity set to 10%. Go back to Studio, hit that refresh button, and there is my transparent bag. Now, obviously, we don't want it to be completely transparent. So for that, we're going to go down to Window, Esko White Underprint. Right down here at the list. So in order to add white underprint, we're going to select the objects under which we want to add that white underprint, including the banner in the middle, the circle, and at the bottom, hit the Add button, and that will now create my white underprint. Let's make sure to go to Attributes and change that to Overprint Fill. Hit the Preview button, go back to Studio, refresh, and here you can see my white underprint. Now, obviously, it's not in the proper order, so let's go to Finishing Operations. You can see my opaque white spot is at the top of my stack. With a refresh and optimize order, we can automatically send it to the bottom of the stack. Go back to Studio, refresh, and here we now can see my CMYK overprinting that white opaque sitting in the back, but I noticed there's still two problems. The circle, the outer circle right there, the red is shining through there as well as through the banner in the center. So let's see why that is. I can see this is set to overprint fill. We can't have that. This has to be knockout. So let's go back to Studio, hit that refresh button. I can see it's all transparent because I forgot in my layers to activate my white underprint. So let's go back to layers. Visualize that opaque white layer again. Let's go back to Studio, refresh, and here's my final result. Hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching.